students, this is Trouble Sir again, and today I will be teaching you transformation of sentences, alright? Transformation of sentences. As it is written out here in the blackboard, it teaches us variety of expressions, alright? We say something and there are variety of expressions in the same sentence, alright? If you are saying something, that can be said in a different way also. So in this video I have brought you 3 different varieties which you can use it, alright? One is to, getting rid of to, one is degree of comparison, and the next one is active and passive voice, alright? So we will be focusing on these 3 different sets today, alright? There are very many subjects as well, but I will be dealing with you all those things in the next video. Today we will be paying attention only in these 3 aspects, alright? So number 1 is get rid of adverb to, alright? So how we can get rid of this? Now in the first set I have given you an example. It is never too late to mend, alright? So how we can change this? We can rewrite it again by writing this way. It is never so late that it cannot be mended, alright? Now the idea out here is to pay attention in the word to, which is replaced by so, and the sentence takes the form of a negative form out here, cannot be mended, alright? Now to clarify more about this, I would like to give you one more explanation, and that is he is too proud to beg, alright? He is too proud to beg. Now the to is replaced by so. He is so proud that he cannot beg. Now you see the question out here. The answers are changed in the same way. There are other rules as well which we will be dealing with in the later class. Now in this there are many questions, alright, but you will be paying attention only in the 5. 2 are already done for you and 3 more you have to do it for your exercise, okay? And the next one we have degree of comparison. Degree of comparison is, you know, there are positive degree, superlative degree and comparative degree, alright? Positive, comparative and superlative degree. So this degree also helps us to rectify our sentences, or we can say it in a different way, alright? Now for example, we have Abdul is as strong as his brother, alright? Strong out here is a positive degree, alright? The superlative of strong is stronger, the comparative degree of strong is stronger, and the superlative degree is strongest, alright? Now here the answer we have made it in a comparative degree, alright? His brother is not stronger than Abdul, alright? Whenever you write comparative degree, you have to pay attention in this word, that is stronger, and will be followed by a word called than, alright? This word tells you that you are comparing 2 things. Then now the next sentence is, Akbar was one of the greatest king. Akbar was one of the greatest king. Now here the greatest, the word greatest is in the superlative degree. Now if we have to rewrite this sentence and if you want to use it in another way, you can write Akbar was greater than most of the kings. Alright, here the is missing, so I just would like to rectify most of the king. Akbar was greater than most of the kings. Alright, you can make this degree into a positive degree as well. Now in order to do that, we have to write no other king is as great as Akbar. Alright, I have not written this out here, but you can make it in this way also. Alright, and then whenever you write this kind of sentences, you have to be very clear about the superlative, comparative and positive degree. Alright, this is how we can make the changes in the sentences as well. So here also I have solved for you 2 questions. You have to do only 3 from the text. Alright. Now in the next we have active and passive voice, alright? We have done it in the class in the last year, active and passive voice. So this also falls under this category called transformation of sentence, because here also we are changing the sentences, alright? Like for example, in the first question, you have Premchand wrote wrote this novel. Alright? Now in the answer, we will be writing this way. This novel was written by Premchand. Alright? And in the question number 2 we have, we admire the brave, and the answer is, the brave are admired by us. Now what you need to pay attention out here is, in a sentence there is always a subject and the object. Alright? Now whenever you change the active into passive voice, the object will become the subject, alright, and the subject will become an object out here. If you see out here, Premchand, the starting of the sentence is Premchand wrote this novel is an object. Now when we frame the passive voice, it goes this way. This novel, which was object out here, has become subject now, was written by Premchand. Now the subject has become an object. Alright, this is what you need to pay attention. And you always have to remember, whenever you write passive voice, it has to be in the past tense. Alright. Now in the second sentence, if you see, the subject is we and the brave is object out here. Alright. Now the brave, object will become the subject. The brave are admired by us. Alright. Now we, the subject, us will become the object out here. Alright. I hope this video will help you a lot. And from this section also, you have to do only 3 more exercises. So altogether 2 are solved from each section. You need to do 3 more from this set, 3 more from this set, and 3 more from this set. I think this video will really help you. Thank you very much.